It is 2:41 a.m. And where are we going?
Going to Aruba.
Aruba. So excited. We've been waiting on this trip for a long time. I'm sleepy, but it'll all be worth it. So we're gonna take y'all with us. This will be our first adult-only, all-inclusive resort. So we'll see how this goes.
All right.
On our way to the airport right now, and everything's on time so far. So hopefully this will be a smooth travel day.
Okay, we're just extra excited.
I'm ready to go. We've been waiting on this trip a long time.
What you hope? You just doing all of them? Got some waffles here. Got some bacon, some eggs, some potatoes. And we got a whole lot of grits. We'll probably show you that. The apple juice there.
I got the same thing.
She got the same thing. And where did we go?
I don't even know the name of it.
It's,
Bantam and Biddy.
Yep. And that was the price there. $44 for all of this. So right now we're just here looking at the view of the different airplanes here. We got a little bit of time to get to our terminal.
Yeah.
So,
7:44 and we board at 9:08.
yeah, so we'll just be here relaxing and making sure we got everything ready. So we'll see. We made it. So yeah, we just checked in. We're about to, they gave us champagne glasses at the door. So we checked our bags in. Now we're about to go and find our room. They didn't exactly tell us where to go. I'm recording. Yeah, all right. So yeah, we're just trying to figure out our room. It's a little maze. So trying to figure that out. Looks like there's the pool over here on the left. And then right here on the right, they got the steakhouse here. There's that if you want to see it. If you are a part of the elite group, you get access to reserve tables. This is the Palm Beach. And this is like a buffet style area. Got the food up there, drinks. Right.
How do you get in the room?
Um, you have to go back in. All right, y'all. You find it together. Just bear with us. All right, y'all. We are back. We ended up asking somebody. Oh, nope. Oh, okay. We're going in. We're going in. We're going in. Whoa. All right. So this is the private elite club area here. You gotta take the steps. Taking the steps. Oh. I guess you gotta go up. Some places now. All right, kind of figure this out. So we're on the third floor, technically. Hello.
Hey, welcome to our room for the next 5 nights. So we got, well, let's start over here. Bathroom, separate area, which is always good. Separate area from the rest of the room. And then we got, we got the shower, sink area over here. We got this towel, look at the little cute roses. This tub, a jacuzzi tub. Snacks, closets over there. Top shelf. We got some snacks. Top shelf liquor. I think down here. Woo! Refrigerator. Bed. It's like a TV. Look like they gave us something. What's in here? A cup. Some slippers. And a bag that say Elite Club. Nice bottle of champagne. Thank you. Couch. Somewhere to sit. And then we haven't even been out here, so I guess let's figure out how to go out here. Yeah. Ooh. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm about to be right down there. And this is gonna be our view. Really. Look at that lizard down there. There's no way. Look at that. You see that? Do you see that? Look at that. I wonder if they even know that it's right there. You see that? I was talking about over there by that person's head. But yeah, that's our room. We about to link back up with the rest of the group, get back together with them, and get this vacation started. So yeah.
All right, y'all, we are here at the meet and greet.
All right, everybody. If I can have your attention. All right, everybody. We are getting ready to start handing out the gift that Lynette has so graciously put together. If you don't mind starting to shift this way and get in line, don't overwhelm the table. Don't overwhelm the table. Please get in line.
All right, y'all ready? All right, so while we wait for our food, we got nachos, not nachos, chips, we got salsa and pico de gallo, excuse me, and guacamole and some pork belly with some sauce on the top. All right, a drink came in. I got the blue coal, and she got this sunrise. How was it? I got your answer right there. Thank you, sir. All right.
Okay. This is some sort of like seafood trio thing. And I got shrimp, crab cakes, and scallops with something in it. So we'll see. Oh, and he got a Caesar salad with no cheese.
All right, so we got the steak and lobster and the mashed potatoes as well. She got the same thing. All right, let's see how it is.